Let's prepare the squid first. Look at the scissor, look at my hand. It's bigger than my hand. So let's just cut the head first. In other words, we're cleaning it up before we're going to cook the squid. Look at that squid right there. See the inside? We're going to take this out. So let's put it right here. And also there's that little hard part of the squid right here. We're going to take that out as well. This one. There. And we're just going to pull it out. And off it goes. Alright, you see, we took out the inside of it. It's right here. Now it's clean. And now we're ready to just simply cut it. This and before we're going to cook it, just like that. There you go. Right, we're gonna cut the tentacles. I just come out the tin. There. And that should be done. Alright, so we're just gonna turn it off and take it out. That's ready. Transfer it here. Next, let's cut up bell peppers, shallots, ginger, and green onions. Next, let's cut the Brussels sprouts. Here are the ingredients. We have this blanched squid already. We have green onions, ginger, shallots, bell pepper, and Brussels sprouts. We use black pepper, garlic, rosemary, sea salts. We will also use minced garlic. Let's get started. Alright, we're going to use vegetable oil. We're gonna saute the shallot first and the ginger. We'll add garlic. We'll add garlic. We'll add the pepper. I'm gonna add the Brussels sprouts. Mix it in. Rosemary, sea salt, garlic. It has garlic also. Let's do the black pepper. I'm gonna add the olive oil. I have chili. Add the chili in there. The chili oil. It's great already. Add the cooked blanched squid. I'm using this teriyaki marinade sauce. I'll just use a little. Just a little bit. Alright. Mix it in. A little bit of soy sauce. Not a lot. We don't want it to be salty. This is low sodium. Pins of sugar, and last but not the least, the green onion. Oh, it smells so good. Cannot wait to eat it. Let's cover it for a minute just to cook the Brussels sprouts. And that should be done. Oh, that looks so good. All right, this is ready. We'll turn it up and let's plate it. All right, it's plating time. I don't think we need more decoration. And this is a perfect one already. We just have to transfer it. Ooh, look at that. It looks so good. Here is our final sauteed squid with vegetables, Brussels sprouts. I hope you had a great time cooking with me, and if you like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you all next time. Happy cooking, everyone, and thank you all for watching.